Yes, another snowstorm. January 7th, another snowstorm. Take a look. Our first snowstorm of 2022, January 7th. But even though it's snowing, there's no excuse not to do a workout. I did a video like this not too long ago, sometime last year, and I'm going to do another similar video pertaining to working out and the snow. Welcome to another edition of Body by Tommy. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for future notifications. I upload videos each and every week, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. What we doing? We doing a leg and glute workout. So if you notice, you're gonna look at me. I'm doing a forward lunge with a band around my upper thigh. So what I'm doing when I'm lunging forward, I'm moving my leg outward. So moving my leg outward while I'm doing the lunge. Here's another view of me doing the lunge. You're going to go forward. And when you move forward in the lunge, move your back, or should I say your upper torso, towards the front. So it gives you more glute workout as well as a quad workout. And when you're doing the lunge, just pull your leg to the outside when you're doing the lunge. So it gives more of a resistance training to the leg workout. And once again, everyone knows I am a stickler for legs. This is a workout for the hamstring and the glutes. I'm using a band, a resistance band. So I'm pulling the resistance band around a bar and I'm going backwards with the band. And I'm concentrating on the glute and also concentrating on the hamstrings. And what you see, I'm switching legs. When you do to one leg, you must do to the other leg as well. Now here's another angle in slow motion. Notice I'm concentrating on the hamstring and I'm concentrating on the glute when I'm doing this workout. Also, when you're doing this workout, keep your core tight when doing this workout and keep the knees slightly bent. Keep the knees slightly bent and concentrate on the movement and concentrate on the exercise that is being worked. And now we're going to exercise of the week. Exercise for this week is working the triceps. You're going to put your triceps on a bench behind you and you're going to raise your foot on the bench on the opposite side of you. So you're going to be in between two benches. You're going to go all the way down, concentrate on the triceps, and go all the way up. Go all the way down, concentrate on the triceps, and go all the way up. When you have your feet elevated like this, you put in extra resistance on the triceps. Extra resistance on the triceps. You can do it on the flat surface as well, but when I do it in this position, I get more of a workout with my triceps. Now you're watching me in slow motion, that way you get a better idea how the exercises work. You're going to go all the way down, as far down as possible, and go slowly on the way up. Go all the way down and slowly on the way up. Concentrate on the muscles being worked, and the muscles that are being worked are your triceps. Many people do work in the biceps, but lack work on the triceps. So it must be a balance between the two. So tell me what you think about these exercises and leave a comment in the comment section below.